Hello everyone, I am Manjunath K, faculty from KLE's CB Korea Polytechnic, Chikkodi. Today in this class, I am here to discuss one of the most important subject for diploma 4th semester students, that is professional ethics and Indian Constitution. Dear friends, this subject is mandatory for all the various branches of diploma engineering. The subject which is play a common role for all the department means we have to give more importance because subject is defining something commonly to the engineering profile. When it comes to the subject professional ethics and Indian Constitution, there are two parts. The first part is called professional ethics and the second part is Indian Constitution, which is distributed in the ratio 70:30. Means 70% portion is there for professional ethics and 30% portion is there for Indian Constitution. My dear friends, from the examination point of view and as a career point of view, this subject really play an important role. So in a series of videos, I am doing a quick revision of all the 6 units which are there for your syllabus. Before to start, one important statement I would like to tell you all. Engineering is not about the perfect solutions. It is about doing the best you can with limited resources. How much you are having is not matters, but what you are doing with what you are having really matters a lot. If you don't know how to express your knowledge, then everything will become in vain, my dear friends. When you are very good in professional ethics, skills, definitely you will express your knowledge, which will provide you good results. So guys, I hope you got the importance of professional ethics and Indian Constitution subject. Today we'll discuss briefly course content of all the chapters, weightage of mass. So let's begin with the first chapter. Look at here, my dear friends. The name of the first chapter is human values and marks weightage is 30 marks. What are the sub-content of this chapter? Let's look over a sub-content. We are learning in this chapter professional ethics, morality, values and its types, service learning, and moreover, very importantly, we are learning some important topics like caring, sharing, honesty, courage, cooperation, commitment, empathy, self-confidence and spirituality. These are the sub-content we are covering in human values. Let's take a look over second chapter. The name of the second chapter is engineering ethics and the mass weightage is 25. Mass weightage is 25. What are the sub-contents of this chapter? Means the first one is synthesis of engineering ethics. We are learning variety of moral issues, inquiry and its types, moral dilemma and moral autonomy, profession, responsibility, self-control, accountability, self-interest and self-respect. Very important terms. So all these terms we are learning in engineering ethics. Third one, safety responsibility of engineers, which is there for 15 marks. Look at here, 15 marks. And what are the topics we are learning in this chapter means safety and risk, its assessment, risk benefits analysis, collegiality and loyalty, authority, confidentiality, conflict of interest, occupational crime. These all topics we are learning in safety responsibility of engineers. And when we are considering fourth topic, the name of the topic is ethical issues in engineering practice. So mass weightage is 15 and what are the content means ethical issues are there here: industrial standards, environmental ethics, plastic waste disposal, e-waste disposal, industrial waste management, computer ethics, engineering as a manager, codes of ethics. These all terms we are learning in fourth topic. Fifth one, very important topic, that is called human rights. Must and should each and every one we have to know about human rights, which is very important in your life. What are the sub-content of this human rights means? We are learning here importance of human rights, constitutional provisions under human rights, right to life and liberty, features of human rights, discrimination against women in rural areas, status of women in India, constitutional safeguard, domestic violence, sexual harassment, human rights of children, right to education, employee rights and its future. These all very important topics we are learning in human rights, which is there for 20 marks. Last one, also called a second part of our subject, Indian Constitution. As an examination point of view and as a responsible citizen of India, each and everyone should learn about this topic, Indian Constitution, which is there for 40 marks. Look at here guys, 40 marks is there for Indian Constitution only. What are the things we are learning in Indian Constitution means Constitution of India, its definition, how the Constitution is formed, who worked for this Indian Constitution, basics, each and everything we are learning in this Constitution, and Constitution Assembly, who were the members of Constitution Assembly, drafting committee, features of Indian Constitution, preamble and its types, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principles of state policies, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha we will learn here, functions of parliament, structure of union executive, structure of judiciary, structure of state, and executions we are learning here, and finally local self-government body also we are learning in this topic. So hope guys all the 6 chapters you got and the weightage of marks also you got. In the next class, we are starting Indian Constitution, which is very important and we have to know, okay, because each and every system is based on this Indian Constitution only. It may be legislative system, it may be executive system, it may be judiciary system. So everything, whole system is based on Indian Constitution only. So as an examination point of view and as a personal point of view, which is very important, so we will start the Indian Constitution as a first topic for this professional ethics and Indian Constitution. Hope guys, with this we are concluding today's topic. Thank you guys.